Ava Barillin was found in Stockton a short time ago and is in good condition. Two suspects are under arrest, a man and a woman. The male suspect is said to be an ex-boyfriend of the girl's mother.
The driver who led police on a wild chase from Concord to Berkeley Sunday night called 911 asking that officers call off the chase. KPIX5's Andrea Borba has the recording.
It all started in Concord when officers noticed someone driving a stolen Honda.
We just canceled a pursuit that went the wrong way on the freeway, westbound 4 off of Port Chicago.
The chase wound through the Bay Area, hitting Highway 4, 242, and even I-80, all going the wrong way, scaring drivers.
I almost got head-on by some maniac trying to drive in the slow lane in the shoulder of the road going the wrong way on Highway 4.
Then the driver himself called 911 with a simple request.
On speakerphone right now. I'm going to crash.
Okay, are you the driver driving the wrong way?
Yes, I am.
Okay,
now,
you need...
Stop chasing me. Tell the helicopter to clear for me.
One that couldn't be honored.
We cannot turn our spotlight off of him. We're illuminating him so the other vehicles don't get hit.
The dispatcher taking lip from the directionally challenged driver somewhere in the East Bay.
Tell the helicopter to get up. Stop the chase. I will stop running. Stop